It's Creole Ken down on the big property today. What we're trying to do today, I set some burn piles up on a trail I'm cutting across this property so I can drive across without always going to the back. And we've been in a burn ban for a while. Ban got released maybe about two or 3 weeks ago. So I got some burn piles that were strategically placed around the property. This was a big one. So I took care of this morning, kind of cleaned up some dead brush and trees. I didn't bring my tractor down. I'm gonna do that like once hunting season out of the way. And I had a little small micro pile over here. I tried to start. It's not doing so good. But today we're gonna try to get some stuff burned out before the end of the year. And I got some more piles of debris back here in the corner. Again, we're trying to clean this thing up, trying to get the deer to come down this area. I got a lot of dead trees and branches, and nobody in my family really seems to care or want to help. All they want to do is get in the way. So I've been just cutting out trails, cutting out shoot lanes, and trying to get these deer so they can start coming across my other property, or see my neighbor property, where you got most of the bucks out in this little field, and get them to come to this feeder back over here. There's a feeder behind that Dodge, and there's another feeder about 100 yards this way. So if I can clear out some of this brush and get it open up, it makes it easy to spot the deer. It also makes it more easier to get a good clean shot on a deer if they do desire to cut across the property. So that's what we're trying to do today, to get some of these burn piles out. I might be back out tomorrow morning to tackle that guy and this guy before Christmas. If not, I'll be tackling the weekend after Christmas. Again, Creole Ken, out on the properties.